Hello YouTube, it's William with WC Knives. Well, we talked about truck kits, we talked about woods kits, we talked about get home kits, bug out kits. Well, let's talk about fishing kits. Alright, it's beautiful down the lake. You're 3 miles from home, motor quits, and this floated off. So what do? You're gonna have to spend the night. So what do you have in your kit? So that's what we're going to talk about. A lot of this stuff is going to look very familiar to you. It is a lot like my woods kit. The only difference is I have a little bit bigger fishing kit that goes into this, and it's being summertime is usually when you're fishing. I have a little small hammock, kind of gets you up off the ground and lets a breeze blow and things like that. But let me reposition the camera and let's talk about a boat kit. Stick with me. Okay, whenever I go fishing, I carry a bucket. Now this is one of the buckets that I use. A lot of times I use just a standard 5-gallon bucket with a lid on it, but they always got to have a lid. This just had bird seed in it, and it has a lid on it that locks. I don't know if it's watertight or not, but it's pretty tight. So inside here I have some fish skinners, my haversack, and you've seen my haversack, you know what's in it pretty much. I have some fishing gear, baits, artificial baits, just all kinds of artificial baits. Sometimes they work, sometimes they don't. Flashlight, and got an awl in there. It's just that I baited a hole with some dog food, so tied a string on it. So when I get done with it, I'll pull it back up out of the river. I'm not going to leave it in there. But that's part of what's in there. Some additional cordage, and inside the haversack I have my little Maxpedition kit. You've seen that. That's the same one I use in the woods kit. Carry my hog's tooth. If it's not on my belt, it's in my pack. That hog's tooth is with me all the time. It is replacing just about every knife that I have. I have a hammock kit. This is one of those little Grand Trunk hammocks. Great when you want to just get off the ground and sit. You want to have a little picnic, get off the water, and build your little fire, cook something up. I got my Guy Design bottle with my titanium cup. It has water in it too. And I have 2 trash bags and a one of those blankets, those, I forget what they're called, survival blankets or whatever they're called. So I have that in there. And bug dope. I have a spark plug wrench so that in case I need to pull my spark plug out and clean them. I got additional cordage. And that's it. So that is my basic spend the night if I have to in the woods kit until I can get home or somebody comes looking for me. So I hope you enjoyed that. What I want to do now is I want to set up this hammock real quick with this kit, and I'll show you how easy it is to set up. So stick with me. I have these paracords. All it is 550 paracord, and I just have knots tied about every 6 inches. And it has a loop on one end. And double, they're 3, 6, about 7, 8 feet long. Okay, so we got a couple of trees here. This paracord does not hurt the trees. Especially these old pin oaks like this. Just about head high. Tighten it against the tree. Just pick one of the loops, put that in there, and you can adjust it in a little bit. And it's just that simple. Now I have a chair that I can use, get out of the boat, or if I just want to get out, fish ain't biting, want to relax, I have a little place I can lay down. Well, I think I'll just take a siesta right quick. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you on the next one. Think about your boat kit. You may need one. Canoe kit, same thing. Till the next one. Y'all take plenty of band-aids and lots of knives. And I'll catch y'all later.